please subscribe if you haven't supported my channel. And I'll show you how I designed this mirror. I took the silver spray and I sprayed on the wood side of the mirror. I used these mortise glasses on the side. I also used mod podge, which I bought on Amazon, and I applied on the side of the mirror after I sprayed it. After it dried, I used mod podge. I also used crash glasses, which I sprinkled on top of the mod podge. I waited for it to dry and went back again and used the mod podge to give that sparkle. I also mixed it with a glitter flex one, and it turned up very beautiful. So watch the process and subscribe. Thank you so much.